Because I fell in love with you, it disappears when I want it to. Half a mind is what I have to use, other half I had to cut it loose. All because I fell in love with you, it disappears when I want it to.
Hope you're enjoying Dustin Arbuckle and the Damnations. That song there was Half a Piece. A fantastic song and a really nice lead off into the video here. We highlighted him in our last video, which if you did not get a chance to see it, I post a link in the description and it is right here. Called riding in the Rockies, where we highlighted his music at the end of the video too as well. And so we are on our way from Blue Mesa Damn. This is actually on Highway 92, which is going to take us up to, hope I say this right, Curecanti Needle Overlook. You know how I do my wording for Colorado cities and stuff like that. If you watched any of our videos, you definitely know that I can butcher these things. And so, but man, what a road to travel. This highway is actually known for being the curviest road in Colorado that is, quote, quote, not on a mountain. So whether you want to classify it one way or the other, let me just tell you, you need to take this road. This highway is unbelievable. The sights that you see from the road are just unbelievable. They are breathtaking. They never cease to amaze you from every mile that you drive. And as you can see, that's the Black Canyons right there in front of us. We're going to stop here and take a pit stop for a little while and kind of check out the canyon. But a couple of known facts about the canyon, or excuse me, about the needle. It's a 700-foot granite spire. It's actually named after Ute chief back in the 1800s. You can actually take a strenuous 2-mile hike to the base of the needle. I think you see all of us, we do not decide to go take a 2-mile hike, especially when the word strenuous is involved into it. So if you remember anything in our last videos, we focus on eating ice cream. So I don't think strenuous is in our game plan. So with that, we took a couple of pictures here, and it is just an amazing place. This is kind of the beginning of the Black Mesa, the Black Canyons in Gunnison, which has the Gunnison River that flows through it. And most people travel on the south side. We went on the north side. And I'm just telling you, I think both sides are amazing, but this view that we're going to have on our upcoming parts of our video here is going to be worth watching. So stay tuned. More to come right after this.
When a song comes along, you got to grab it. Gotta hold it with all of your might. When the blues hit your shoes, you gotta lose them, yes you do. And kick them till they're out of sight. Oh, I know that this thing won't be easy. It may give you trouble sometimes, but if you wait on fate, that's a chance you shouldn't take. Might be unhappy all your life. When a storm starts to form in your direction, pretend you are a million miles away. And should a cloud start to crowd out your reflection, don't let that silly trifle ruin your day. Oh, I know that this thing won't be easy. It may give you trouble sometimes, but if you fail, oh well, in the end you will prevail. You could be happy all your life. Yes, you could be happy all your life. Well, this is just a song that we sing to each other. It's just a way to carry on. If it doesn't work for you, you can always make do. But don't wait until you're dead and gone. No, don't wait until you're dead and gone.
song comes along by Dustin Arbuckle and Damnations again. And as I mentioned before, we are on Highway 92 and we just headed out of the Spire area and we are now on our way to Paonia, Colorado. And how this even happened is we were supposed to be going on the southern rim of the Black Canyons, which is actually where the painted wall is. If you've never had an opportunity, here's a picture of what that looks like. What an amazing, beautiful area. And I wish we would have had an opportunity to go over there, but unfortunately there was wildfires that were happening during this time while we were traveling, and it was all closed. And so there was no opportunity to actually go over there. And so we had to deviate from our route, and we decided to take Highway 92 as we're on to go up to Paonia, as I mentioned before. And man, I am so glad we did. This has been spectacular and an unbelievable ride. Every turn that we took just took us on a new adventure and a new vision, a new scenery that was just breathtaking. You're gonna see some things on this video and also on our next video through this area that quite honestly was probably some of the prettiest and best traveled road that we did in Colorado. That was unbeknownst to us and just totally happened by accident. All right, so we're coming up on the other side of the mountain here, and you're going to actually get an opportunity that you can look back into the canyons from this side, seeing back to the east. And I'm just telling you, it is breathtaking. It is unbelievable to see. Even looking behind us here, the mountain ranges just, continue to go for miles and miles of views. And so, but I want to have an opportunity. I'm going to turn it over to the sounds of the roads. I know we don't get to do this very often. We get to turn it over to just the rumble of the pipes on the road, but we definitely want to do that so we can get kind of the ambiance of the ride here too as well. And I'll check you out on the other side. Enjoy the sounds of the road there. Just mesmerized by the views that you get to watch in this video. And so I do want to take a little bit of time because we've had a couple of call outs in other people's channels. If I miss a channel here, I apologize, but the amount of sentiments and shares and likes and subscribes that we've received over the last couple of weeks here has been amazing and quite honestly humbling. I can't thank you enough for the very kind words, and to hit 100 comments in a video just seems kind of crazy to me, especially when we started this. It was all about just creating. Oh.